Okay, I'm going to be going over day 20 and 21 of me trading with Apex. This is where my eval is. So the eval that I bought last week. And then this is my PA account. I have not traded it. I am going to be really waiting for a very good setup to me to trade my PA because it's like right there from blowing. So let me just go over quickly over the two trades today that I've taken. You know, I want to say that, well, okay, never mind. I don't want to make this video too long, so here we go. Price is above the hourly 50 EMA, this pink line. So at that point, I'm looking for the first bear candle to open and close above the 10 EMA to get above it and take a long position, right? I did not see this candle. It wasn't here. This was the first, and this actually was a really good bear candle opening and closing above that 10 EMA. I probably would have taken it right here, but like I said, I didn't see it. So when I came back, it was like around here when I was looking at the charts, and I decided to do something I have never done this in my eval or PA. I wasn't going to do it in my PA, but I wanted to do it in my eval. So what I did was, because I saw how good this was, I said, well, what if, price can retest and we could bounce? So I just did a little limit order and kind of got in around where I would have gotten in here. Or I would have seen this candle and there could have been a chance that I would have put my entry even lower right here. So the trade would have looked probably something like, below these candles here. And so, I would have targeted that 1.2 and there you go. But like I said, I missed that. So anyways, got entered here. It was bouncing. The bulls were trying. And right here, I exited one contract. I had 3 contracts on. I was going to take another contract off at the 1.2 and try to leave a runner to come up here. Did not work. And so I got stopped out here. So it was a smaller loss, which is cool. I'm glad I'm practicing that a little bit more. And then the second play I did was a just straight up 10 EMA play. We came down, we closed below the 10 EMA, and then we came back up, and price gave us a new bear candle opening and closing above that 10 EMA, got in long above it, stock below the low of this wick, and that one did not work. So that one did not work, and I was at least able to move my stop up a little bit to lose a little smaller and not lose my full R. So that was, that's positive. I can say I'm definitely doing a better job at losing smaller on my losses. The last PA, as you know, I was not doing that. So I was taking like just full R losses too many times. So I don't know, we'll see. And then I thought about setting up a third trade today when this, if you can see, it's kind of small. When this candle right here popped up, this nice hammer candle with a ton of volume, I had a trade that I placed, I think, for a little bit right here, getting above that hammer candle and putting the stop a little bit below the low of that hammer candle. I believe I had it placed, and then I told myself maybe I'm just taking too many trades at one time, and sure enough, that would have worked, but I didn't place it. I ended up canceling it if I did. I'm trying to remember if I had it placed or not, but anyways, I didn't end up really taking it. But that was a really good candle to get above, and I just wish I would have done it. I would have won at least, some of the money that I lost back earlier. Okay, so that is today. Yesterday, I did make a video. What I did, and this was, I'm kind of hitting myself. I'm kind of kicking myself. That's the saying, right? did not take, I'm trying to remember now. I was kind of busy. I was babysitting and stuff. The best setup for what I do, the 10 EMA setup, is this candle right here, right? It was the first bare candle opening and closing above the 10 EMA here, after we closed and made bull candles below it. And not only that, it also opened and closed right above that hourly 50 EMA, which when price is above that hourly 50 EMA, I should go long. So that trade would have looked something like this. I would have put my stop below the low of this wick here. Hopefully you could see. And I would have tried to leave a runner. I would have, done that. So, but anyways, that's not the point. Let's go to the trade I did take. So I'd come down, and I ended up, let's see here. I am actually now confused at what. Oh, okay. So basically what I did, it was not a 10 EMA play. I did what I said I wanted to do today, which this was kind of a hammer candle right here. Big volume, wanted to get above it, which I did. Stop was just a little too large for this to work out near the end of the day like this. But I exited one contract here, came down, was doing all this craziness, and I decided to exit all of it right here, which, I wish I would have held a little bit up to here, but it is what it is. So that is the trades that I took yesterday and today. See if I can get a better trade set up and can hold a little bit better tomorrow. I don't know, we'll see. But like I said, this is where my accounts are. And what I think I'm going to be doing, what I kind of caught myself doing today, is on this eval, I think I'm going to try to pass it as fast as possible. I think I'm a little bit over losing money on paying for evals. Like, I have been so, I don't want to say scared, but I just have been very mindful of that, and I don't want to, lose money. And I guess I've told myself I have something to prove if I could just get these evals passed in a very safe way. And I don't know, I think I'm not gonna say I'm YOLOing it, but I think I'm not gonna be as strict on myself in this eval. I may blow it, but that's okay. I don't mind. I'm not giving up on this. I'll just buy another eval and just get it passed and be careful in my PA. And I kind of thought, well, maybe that's probably not good to do, because if I'm doing bad habits in the eval, I'll do it in the PA. But like I said, I traded my eval and I did not touch my PA account today. So I think if I start trading my PAs the way I'm going to probably do my evals now, then that would be more of a problem. And I would have to know how to catch that. But I don't know. I think I can do it. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive in this eval. So I guess we'll kind of see what happens. Anyways, like and subscribe, leave a comment if you want, and I'll see you on the next video.